Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Welcome back to your class Ravisirjee Maths, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12. Students, in our today video lesson of standard 10th Maths, Introduction to Trigonometry. Students, in our today video lesson, we are going to learn how we can obtain the value of trigonometric ratios at different angle. So students, here I am going to explain you a trick through which you can find out the value of all trigonometric ratios from 0 angle to 90 degree. So right students, before starting today's video lesson, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So right students, so first of all, we are discussing about the trick. So how we can find the value of trigonometric ratios from 0 degree to 90 degree. So students, stay tuned over here and don't skip the videos. If you will skip the videos, it will be difficult to understand how to obtain the trigonometric table. Means in this table we will find the values of all trigonometric ratios. So students, so your first step should be what? You will have to write the numbers from 0 to 4, right? So writing the number over here, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? The next step is what? Divide all these number by 4. Divide all these number by 4. So 0 divided by 4, 1 divided by 4, 2 divided by 4 and 3 divided by 4 and 4 divided by 4. So next step is to be what? Just simplify this. So 0 divided by 4, you are getting what? 0. 1 divided by 4 as it is. 2 divided by 4, by simplifying it, we are getting 1 by 2. 3 divided by 4 as it is. And 4 divided by 4, what? 1. Next step is what? Taking the square root of all these numbers. What you will have to do? Take the square root. So square root of 0, square root of 1 by 4, square root of 1 by 2, square root of 3 by 4 and square root of 1. Just simplify these things. So finally you are getting what? 0. This is 1 by 2. This will become 1 by root 2. Here will be root 3 by 2 and 1. Right student? So from this basis we will prepare the table over here. Considering theta. Theta is what? Trigonometric ratio. Right student? So first of all, writing the angle over here, this is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Right student? Now our first trigonometric ratio is sine. What is sine? So putting sine theta over here. Okay. If we want to find out the value of sine 0 degree, sine 0 degree, the value of sine 0 degree is 0, right? The value of sine 30 degree, the value of sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Value of sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Value of sine 60 degree, root 3 by 2. Value of sine 90 degree is what? 1. After sine there is cos theta. So how you can find out the ratios, trigonometric ratios of cos theta at different angle? Right students? So what you will have to do over here? just you will have to reverse the values of sine theta at different angle. So if you are going towards 0 to 1, you are moving like that, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Just you will have to reverse the values. So after reversing the value, you will get the value of cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree will be what? 1. Cos 30 degree will be what? Root 3 by 2. Cos 45 as it is. Right? Then cos 60 degree will be what? 1 by 2 and here will be 0. Understood, students? What you have done over here? Just you have reversed the values of sine theta at a different angle to get the value of cos theta. Right? Okay. Next is tan theta, and we know that tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta. So tan theta is equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. Right, student? Sine theta divided by cos theta. So 0 divided by 1. What is 0 divided by 1? You are getting 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. You are getting 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. You are getting what? 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, 2 will be cancelled. So you are getting root 3 and 0, 1 divided by 0, you are getting undefined. What is undefined terms? What is undefined terms? Next, after tan theta, we can get the value of cosec theta. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sine theta. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sine theta. Right? Cosec theta is reciprocal of sine theta. So what is the reciprocal of sine theta? Means 1 upon 0. That will be undefined term. That will be undefined term. Then reciprocal of 1 by 2 will be what? 2. Reciprocal of 1 upon root 2 will be what? Root 2. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2. So 2 by root 3. And the reciprocal of 1 as it is. Right, student? Then you can find out sec theta. Sec is reciprocal of cos theta. Sec is reciprocal of cos theta. So reciprocal of 1, 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2, root 2. Reciprocal of 1 upon 2, there is 2. And reciprocal of 1 upon 0, again undefined terms. And after sec, we can get the value of cot theta. What is cot theta? Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. Right? So you can prepare the table over here. So reciprocal of 0, 1 upon 0, that will be undefined term. That will be undefined term. Right? Reciprocal of 1 upon root 3, there will be root 3. Reciprocal of 1 as it is 1. Reciprocal of 1 upon reciprocal of root 3, there will be 1 upon root 3. And reciprocal of 1 upon undefined term. Reciprocal of undefined term will be what? 0. Right, student? So students, this is a very important trick. If you forget the value of trigonometric ratio in the examination, so you can derive these things very quickly to get your marks. So students, from these things, it is clear that sine is complementary of cosec, cos is complementary of sec, and 10 is complementary of 10, cot. 10 is complementary of cot. So for angle, considering the angle theta from 0 to 90 degree, the theta angle from 0 to 90 degree, we can write what? Sine 90 minus theta, this is equal to cos theta. Sine 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. It means, student, suppose you want to find out sine 90 minus 30 degree, sine 90 minus 30 degree, you will get what? Sine 60 degree. What is sine 60 degree? And here you can see that sine 60 degree is what? 1 upon root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. And you can see that root 3 by 2 is the value of cos 30 degree, cos 30 degree. So students, here you can write what? Cos theta. Cos theta is what? 30 degree. It is also root 3 by 2. Understood, student? Similarly, cos 90 minus theta always sine theta. Cos 90 minus theta is always sine theta. For example, suppose you want to find out value of cos 90, the angle between these things. 90 minus, suppose I am taking 60 degree. Cos 90 minus 60 degree will be what? Cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree. And we can see that cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. And we know that cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. So theta is what? 60 degree. So here we will write sine 60 degree. So we can check that sine 60 degree. What is the value of sine 60 degree? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Similarly, students, for more ratios like 10, 90 minus theta, this is equal to cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. Cosec 90 minus theta, cosec 90 minus theta, there will be sec theta, and sec 90 minus theta, there will be cosec theta. Right, students? So students, here we are completing today's video lesson. I hope you have understood how to obtain the values of trigonometric ratios, and you can check that how these angles are complementary to each other. Okay students, here we are completing today's video lesson. I hope you have understood. For more video lesson, keep watching your channel Ravisirjee Maths. Thank you students for watching this video till the end.